Common things in topology optimization. Today we talk about the concept of a current component collector, whatever. This current component collector is always the bold marked, and you have to specify a component or collector. In this case, it's a load collector, because if you do an operation, like for example, I want to have a boundary condition on this face, I go to analyze, then on constraints, and then I can select nodes. Yeah, I want to have nodes on this surface, for example. So I go here and then by face, not by face. Click on that face. I have all the nodes selected. I want to have everything. Yeah, but now let's say I want to have everything constrained. I'm ready to go. I have tagret. Now you have to specify where those constraints go into. And so the current component or collector is this entity, which is boldly marked here, and which is the component where every operations you're doing right now is going into. That means if you then want to create the forces, for example, I just want to create 2 forces, maybe here and here, and I don't really care that much, and say, for example, that's 100 Newton, and the direction would be, I don't know, -1, -1, and 0, and I click on create, see what happens. It's already also in the SPC component or collector. So that's not good, because you want to have that in the other component or collector, in this case the loads collector. So what I could have done was to just right click and on this collector and make current, and you notice that it's now the loads collector, which is boldly marked. And yeah, but what if you have created it and you don't really want to delete it and do it once again? There's another option. You can just move the entities into a different collector or component, which is with assembly organize. So assembly organize, in this case, you want to change load entities, select the loads, go to destination, click on the loads collector, click on the green arrow. Now it's not really that much visible, but if I change the color, you can see it's now in the loads collector. That's as easy as it is. Yeah, thanks all, and have a good one.